Okay, I'm cooking my onions and my garlic clove on butter. I'm turning it down a little bit. So I'm gonna cook this slow. Of course, y'all, this is my first time cooking this. So we're gonna see how it's gonna come out. I got my potatoes on boil. All right, cook that for about a few minutes. Okay, now I'm gonna add me a teaspoon of flour. We're gonna stir that in there real good. Okay, guys, now we're gonna go ahead and add our chicken broth. Now I'm just measuring it by how I want it. Okay, that should be it. And I'm gonna stir that in. And then we're gonna go ahead and add next. We're gonna add some milk. I have 1 cup of milk I'm gonna add. As you can see, I've changed pots. Those little